Hey, welcome back, y'all. Sneakerheads, how y'all doing?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good? But what jersey you rocking? That's a
You know
good.
what jersey I'm rocking? Like Carmelo Anthony, Nuggets, baby.
Hey,
Hey, did you watch that game last night?
come on, man. Hey, didn't we call it? But we did call it. Denver Nuggets, NBA champions. He's the real deal. Hey, point center. We had a point guard. We had a point forward.
MVP,
Hey,
MVP.
MVP, MVP. Hey, Finals MVP. He was drafted. He was in the second round, number
Mhm.
41st pick. Real deal. Taking the game itself to a whole different level, man. What I love about it, he's a passer first. He don't mind sharing the ball. They weren't giving him the credit that he deserved. And what he did, he went out there and showed them, watching you play for many, many more seasons. So nice work, Denver Nugget.
This possibly could be a dynasty team. What do you think about that?
It's possible. A lot of that go show its head, next year, mid season, right? They said the hardest part is staying on top,
True.
right? You can
But
get there.
who do you see out of the West as far as giving them a challenge? Like I know we got the
Uh,
Lakers, Golden State,
who did you say?
Golden State,
No, before that.
Lakers.
Stop it. No, no.
LeBron James, LeBron James.
Hey, all day the GOAT. I give it to him. Hey, he right there with MJ. He right there with MJ, but don't do that to our
And they're
fans.
about to draft his son, team. So
And I want to be honest, I want the baby boy. I don't want him. I want the baby
you
brother.
want Bryce.
Hey, he the real deal. That's who I want. But so coming out the West, the Lakers, they got too much mess to be coming out the West. So no. Hey, Golden State, okay. Who else is out there out the West that go compete?
Everybody
Pickens.
thought it was going to be the Phoenix Suns with the addition with Kevin Durant, but you see how that turned out. So,
Right. And then there's talk that Chris Paul may not be there next year. Talks that Kyrie may team up with
yeah,
LeBron.
they always throwing that out, but
Yeah.
we just have to wait and see
So
what happens. It's all
right.
about
But
that moolah, baby.
hey, what go sell tickets?
Yes,
What go
sir.
sell tickets, right? And Denver Nuggets, we know what go sell tickets. Continue winning them championships. The first one,
Hopefully they can bring it back, but like you said, it is difficult to stay on top.
right, right.
A lot of people thought the same way when Milwaukee Bucks first won, but
Yeah,
then next year, Middleton got hurt, so no one knows
exactly.
what happened.
Right.
So before we leave, we're just gonna throw out some shout outs. We'd like to shout out Khaleesi. Love the AJs from leaving a comment. We appreciate y'all for y'all support.
Hey, and if you like content like this, hey, check out this video.
And always say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.